This is a short video to show how we would go about doing a test of an integration that's running on the Oracle Integration Cloud platform. We have an on-premise Oracle E-Business Suite running. It's version 12.2.8 that has integrated SOA Gateway already configured. As part of integrated SOA Gateway, we have an authorization or authentication service running. And we've got a get payslip list details and a get payslip data details services. Those are CEDAR services. They come as part of the HR and payroll suite. And in addition, we have a custom integrated SOA Gateway service, which is one that we've created to get more details about a user. Also running on the on-premise system is the connectivity agent, and that allows us to communicate to the cloud to make sure that we can service requests between the cloud platform and the on-premise machine. So the integration itself, we've gone through a couple of iterations as part of a DevOps, and we're now ready to release and test this version 4. So we will activate it, and as part of the activation, we enable tracing and will include payload as well. This takes a little moment to activate, but once it's done, we'll be able then to use this button here, how to run, to get the URL. That takes us to this endpoint. So we can copy and paste this URL into Postman. In the address bar, we will paste the URL, and this service uses the post verb. The body that we're going to be passing as part of this REST service call to the integration running on Oracle's Integration Cloud platform, we'll pass the username, password, a month and a year, and the month being the month that we want the payslip for. We'll press the send. The payload has been returned, but there aren't any payslips, it seems, for this user for the requested month or year. We have a status 200, so we know that the REST service has executed successfully. It just means that we don't have any payslips for January. Let's change the month to May and run the test again. This time, for May, we have better success. We have net pay coming back, as well as details regarding the earnings and the deductions. If we go back to the Oracle Integration Cloud platform, we can take a look at the monitoring of this. If we click on the first instance that we executed, which didn't bring back any payslips, we can see which path that this particular process took. So we can see when it got to this switch here, it went down the if no payslips found route, and it finished. So it finished saying there weren't any payslips for that user for that particular month and year requested. If you have a look at the one that was more successful, you can see that it's going to be taking a slightly different route. At this switch, it's actually found the payslips and it's returned a payload with some information in that JSON payload.